Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jaslyn and on this channel we crochet. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. Rather than actually crocheting, I'm going to be going through a few of the things that I would like to make in 2025 since it is the new year. So happy new year to everyone. But like I said, we're just going to jump in. There is no particular order. I didn't really sort them by categories either. We're just going to kind of jump through. So this will probably be a quick video of just the things that I hope to make in 2025. And if I don't make them, I hope that you get to make them. But I'm going to be looking down at my phone because I have everything right here. So we'll go ahead and jump in. First thing that I would like to make is the granny square fanny pack. I've seen a lot of people make these and they are so cute. I really want to make one of these. And then also, I don't know why I said also, but just I think that it's really cute and I love fanny packs, so I would definitely use it. And then I have two pictures here of different types. One of them is a granny square. Oh wait, I guess, yeah, they both are granny square, just different designs on them. So the next thing I would like to make is one of those mesh dresses. Either, part of me wants to make it like long sleeve, but we'll see. If I do get to it, I don't know, because I'm trying to think like when I would wear it, probably to a beach, and I wouldn't want long sleeves on the beach. But these are two of the dresses that I saw that I thought were really cute, and they're both mesh, just a little bit different style. And then the next thing I'm gonna make, it's called, they call it like a couch caddy. I think that's what they call it. But it's just something for over the arm of the couch where you can store like your remotes and books, like notebooks, anything, or like magazines. So things that people want to store on their, I guess not on their couch, but like on the side of it. So I want to make, it's called a couch caddy. Yeah. And you put it over the arm. So that I feel like is something very simple because it's just a rectangle, and then I can just make a pocket and it'll be done. But yeah, that's something else that I probably will make this year. We just got new sofas, so definitely need something that'll match this here. And then the next thing that I would like to make is a granny square scarf. So this is a picture of one of the ones that I think is really cute. I like the colorway of it. And I actually made like a scooty is what it's called, like a scarf with a hoodie, before Christmas, and I love it. I use it a lot, but I don't always want a hood, obviously. So I think this granny square scarf would be really cute. And then the next thing is just a sturdy market tote. I've made market bags before, but what I've come into, and I've seen a lot of people actually have this issue as well, is just depending on like the pattern that they use, it's just too big or it stretches too much. So I want to make one that is not going to stretch when I put heavy things in it, because the purpose of a market bag is to use it when you go grocery shopping so that you don't have to get like plastic bags. So I want it to be like usable, you know? And then the next thing I want to crochet is what the fuck is this called? It's just basically to hold all my crochet hooks. What is it called? I don't know, but I'll show you guys a picture here. I'm gonna crochet this just to keep them all organized. Right now I have them in a little pouch, and I feel like that's good for when I go like traveling, because I can just pull out whatever I need, but I don't always want to carry all 10 or 15, however many hooks that I have with me when I go travel. So I need somewhere else to put them so that when I travel, I can just take my small little pouch. And then this is another granny square bag, but this one has the squiggles, and I think this is so cute. I've seen so many posts on Instagram and Pinterest about like the squiggle granny square, and I think it's so cute and I really want to make it. I just need to figure out what colors that I will use. And then the next thing that I would like to crochet, I'm sure you guys have all seen this, it's the Anchor the Octopus. So freaking cute. A lot of people I've seen make them to sell them at markets, and I feel like they do take a lot of time, so you will have to charge people more. I've seen like $90, $120, $130 for the octopus. But I just want one for myself. I want one that can like chill out with me on the couch or in the other room. Like, I just think it's so cute. A few years ago, my girlfriend got me a big octopus, like a stuffed animal. I'll see if I can find a picture. If I do, I will post it here. But I love octopus, so I want to make one of those for a house because the other one is so big that I had to take it to my parents' house. And then the next thing I want to crochet is the egg bag. I don't know if you guys have seen this. I'm sure you probably have. But there's been a bunch of like crochet bags going around in different patterns for it. But this is a specific one that I want to make. I think it's so cute. And I believe it's made with t-shirt yarn, which I do have a like purple fuchsia type of t-shirt yarn that I'm not crazy about the color, but I think it would work really well with this pattern here. So recently I've been into crocheting wearables. I've like lost my train of thought. So recently I've been into crocheting wearables, but I've mostly been making different types of tops. But what I want to do is make a set. So this is a scrap yarn pant set, and I think it's very cute. I don't think that I would wear the like cropped top or like the bikini top. I'd probably make it into something else, but I think these two are super, super cute, and I feel like it's a good way to get rid of some yarn that's just been sitting there. And then the next thing I want to make is these little loveys. This is more like for markets, but I think they're so cute, and I know a few people who are having babies or have already had their babies, and I think it would be so cute to give to them as gifts. But yeah, I really like them, and I want to make them for some upcoming markets that I have this year. We are almost done. Like I said, this is going to be a quick video. The next thing that I would like to make is a crochet pillowcase, or I guess a pillow. I don't know, it really just depends. I guess it would be a pillowcase, but these are two patterns that I really like. One's like a herringbone, the other one says it's a bohemian pillow with a free pattern. I think that they are both so cute. Not that we need any more pillows on our couch. You should see like we're like stuffed to the brim. Every time we sit down, we got to put some on the floor, put them on the other couch because there's so many. But maybe for the bed, I think it would be super cute. Going along with that, I also saw these mushroom pillows, and I think they are so cute, and they would probably be really fun to cuddle with. Just like to wrap your arms around and hold it while you're sleeping on your side. I think that would be cute. And then the last thing is this crochet top with like ties on the side. Also another like very simple, just be two squares or rectangles, and then you connect them on the side and the top. This I think I'll definitely get to sometime. I just got to find what yarn that I want to use for that. I have a bunch of cotton yarn that I might use, just like an ivory or black, just make it one simple color. All right guys, so as I am editing this, I realized that I forgot two big things that I want to crochet in 2025. The first one is a 6-day star blanket. Now I doubt that I will actually get it complete within the 6 days, but it is something that I want to do this year. And then the next thing is this like it's not a hexagon cardigan, but it's more of like a pullover. I'm gonna insert a picture for you guys, but that's something that I would like to get done. I actually started it already this year, so I'm super excited about that. But I just wanted to add those two because I did forget them in this video. But like I said, nothing too crazy. Those are some of the things that I hope to make this year. I would love for you guys to share with me some of the things that you are planning to make this year or you hope to make. And if you find the patterns for those, definitely leave them in the comments. Like I said, this is a very quick video. Happy New Year to you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.